In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify gift cards effectively. Understanding how to configure and manage gift cards in your Shopify store can significantly boost your sales and give your customers a delightful shopping experience. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. It's important to start from the home page to ensure you're navigating correctly through the platform. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on this option to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. But there's a little trick here. Instead of jumping straight into typing your email, let's make sure you're logging in the way that's best for your needs. If you look closely, you'll see an option that says Continue with Email. Clicking on this brings up a more focused login interface, allowing you to enter your email address without any distractions. After you've inputted your email, the next step involves selecting your account. This may seem straightforward, but remember, if you have multiple accounts or stores under Shopify, choosing the right one here is crucial for accessing the specific products and settings related to your gift cards. Having selected the correct account, you're now inside your Shopify dashboard. Look for the My Store option, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on it will take you to a bird's eye view of your store, but what we're interested in today is nestled under the Products section. So, navigate there next. Within the Products section, you'll find the link for Gift Cards. This is your gateway to adding, managing, and understanding how gift cards can work for your store. Once you're on the gift cards page, notice the option for Add Gift Card Product. It's here that the magic happens. This is where you'll initiate the creation of a new gift card product for your store. Click on this to move to the next step. Now it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to give your gift card a title. This should be something appealing and clear. Remember, this title will be visible to your customers, so make it count. Once you've named your gift card, it's time to give it an image that stands out. Click on Upload New to add an image that represents or complements the gift card well. Selecting the right image is key to catching your customer's eye. Once your image is uploaded, you will click on Done to confirm your selection. With the visual aspects taken care of, it's time to move on to the denominations. This part is critical because it's where you set the value options for your gift cards. Giving your customers various denomination options makes your gift cards more flexible and appealing. Next up, specify the vendor as your store name. This is straightforward but an essential part of the process, ensuring the gift card is identified with your brand. Following this, under product type, you'll categorize this item properly within your store's inventory. It helps keep things organized and makes managing your store easier in the long run. Finally, after all these steps are completed to your satisfaction, the last action to take is clicking on Save Gift Card Product. This will officially add your newly created gift card to your store, making it available for your customers to purchase and share. Creating a gift card on Shopify isn't just about adding another item to your store. It's about creating opportunities for your customers to share their love for your products with others, and opportunities for you to broaden your customer base and increase sales. With each step executed correctly, from logging in to saving your gift card product, you're setting up a valuable asset for your business. And just like that, you've added a gift card to your Shopify store. Remember, the details matter. From the naming and imaging of your gift card to correctly setting its value and categorizing it under your store's branding, each step is crucial for success. Now that you know how to do it, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Explore, experiment, and see how gift cards can enhance your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of Shopify.